The sound leaving the analog outputs is a lovely, shoulders down, calm sonic bliss that really shines with profound purity and silkiness to it. We get a powerful, expressive mid-range and clean highs and deep controlled bass. It's really agile and detailed, and it provides some punch with balance. That hint of warmth really adds solidity without the mud. It's a silky smooth sound experience that quickly had me hooked on the S-3000, also for DAC duties, where the vintage mojo meets modern precision with musicality.
I will say